In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color in Google Calendar on your computer, step by step. This is a super easy way to organize your schedule visually, separate work from personal events, and make your calendar much easier to read at a glance. If you've ever wanted your calendars to stand out with different colors, you're in the right place. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com in your browser or by opening it from your Google Apps if you already have it bookmarked. Once Google Calendar loads, take a look at the left side of the screen. This is where you'll see your calendar list, including the calendars under My Calendars. Now find the calendar you want to change. If you have more than one calendar listed, this is where you can choose the one you want to customize. It could be your main calendar, a work calendar, a family calendar, or any other calendar you use regularly. The color you choose will help you quickly identify events from that calendar later on. Next, click the three dots next to that calendar. This three-dot menu gives you access to more options for that specific calendar. When you click it, a menu will appear with different settings including color choices. This is the step that lets you personalize the calendar exactly the way you want. From the menu, choose your preferred color. Google Calendar will usually show you a selection of preset colors, so just click the one you like best. As soon as you select it, the calendar color will change right away. You'll notice that events from that calendar now display in the new color, making them easier to spot when you're looking at your day, week, or month view. And that's it! You've successfully changed the color of a calendar in Google Calendar. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how organized and clear your schedule looks. You can repeat the same steps for any other calendar you want to customize. So feel free to use different colors for different categories, like work, personal, school, or family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.